is Moss 32, Hartley Grove, off Bell Lane, Kit Green, near Wigan. I've just been bleed radiator in bathroom a bit, and that little thing that you loosen a bit, and it's come off, and the water started squirting out, and I didn't know, and that little brass thing, and it's gone down washbowl in bathroom. So we've turned water off and turned all radiators off. Water has been coming through light in back kitchen. Dripping through light in back kitchen. This is Moss 32, Hartley Grove. We can't have any water because we've turned it off. Because that little thing, it radiator, it's gone down plug hole in bathroom, wash bowl in bathroom. We've turned water off, and there's no water on there, we've turned radiators off. So could you send somebody to put that little part on it radiator? Or that little brass part? It's gone down washbowl in bathroom. It's gone down plug hole. We've lost it. We can't have radiators on there. No water, so could you send somebody as quick as possible?
Because if we have way to turn down,
it's running. If we turn water on, it's coming through light in back kitchen. So could you send somebody, please? It's 32 Moss 32 Hartley Grove, Kit
off
Bell Lane, Kit Green, near K-I-T-T, green for colour, Kit Green near Wigan. So could you send somebody, please?
Because we're new to this.
This is our first time, you know.
Having central heating.
We're not used to central heating, and when we come in, foreman of our groups that refurbished bloody radiator downstairs, and it's the first time I've ever attempted upstairs because radiator didn't seem as hot as it could have been. So my sister decided to try. And anyway, it shouted down and it's spitting out, and so I got to turn water off at mains and run hot water off because it was running through the ceiling, down where the light is, running down, and we have a globe on, and it was dripping down light bulbs, down cars from ceiling, with being bathroom and being down. And we've got to run hot water off with no water at all. If we turn it on, it's spitting out of the radiator at bathroom, and we'll be flooded out. So this is it could touch a little thing, like that little brass thing that my sister's lost her plug hole, because she'd not been used to it. We wonder what she was shouting for. Hello? I hope that this is still on. I heard it at the beginning, but I'm hoping that this is still taping. Because this is Moss 32, Hartley Grove, off Bell Lane, Kit Green near Wigan. And this is an emergency. We'd be obliged if you could send somebody from BHE that fit this central heating in. Because otherwise we're really having a walk out. It's not there to have any weight on, it's not there to have any drinks, it's not there to wash us, not there to do anything. We don't have the, so we turn radiators off and we turn the heater off on that thingy at war, what you put ready for hot water, for radiators. So I hope you can send someday as soon as possible, and I hope this is still taping. Okay, hoping you can oblige us as soon as ever possible, please. We're desperate. I hope this tape's still running. I hope it's running, that tape, because we're in a mess here. Because it's not safe with running down to electric light in back kitchen. It was running like a tap down. But for a bolt that catch it in later at back kitchen where it was running through the ceiling. So I hope we don't have to wait long, because before we was on a coal fire, but now we're not used to radiators, because we've been back since August, but it's pushed down if ever attempted ourselves to try and somebody once said that you bleed them, but make radiator come a bit hotter, because it didn't seem as hot upstairs as it did downstairs, because Foreman Eric from Hargreaves, he did that downstairs, but he didn't touch upstairs. So, but the thing is, that little brass thing, my sister's lost it and it's gone down plug hole, and it could be down in sewer, wherever it is it runs. So I'll hang up hoping that they can work out. Okay, ciao.